Make your pores simply disappear naturally. Unfortunately for us, enlarged pores are both unattractive and not uncommon. The good news is that there are a few simple tricks to naturally reduce large pores at home. Large pores are a relatively frequent skin condition that also tends to attract additional skin problems like blackheads and acne, especially in persons with oily skin. If you're wondering what causes enlarged pores, the primary culprits are excess sebum, debris, and germs deposited in the skin. There are many products on the market to help with this, however, turning to natural solutions can protect your skin from harsh chemicals that might cause your enlarged pores to appear even larger. To make your pores simply disappear, consider some of these natural remedies. 1. Ice cubes. One of the best methods to get rid of enlarged pores is to apply ice cubes to your skin. The skin is tightened by the ice, which in turn reduces the size of the pores. Applying ice to your face prior to applying makeup is a terrific hack and a really straightforward treatment. Additionally, it improves the health of your skin by enhancing facial blood flow. All you need to do is place some ice cubes in a washcloth and press it against your face for a few moments. If you don't want to use ice or there isn't any available, you can simply wash your face with ice-cold water. 2. Apple cider vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar as a natural skin toner. It also aids in the treatment of acne outbreaks because of its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial qualities. More significantly, it balances the skin's pH and tightens the skin by shrinking large pores. Mix a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with 2 teaspoons of water, soak a cotton ball in the mix, and apply it to your face. After letting it rest on your skin for 5 to 10 minutes, rinse it off and moisturize as usual. 3. Egg whites. Egg whites will help you tighten and tone your skin, which will cause pores to become smaller. Making a peel-off mask with egg whites is quite simple and works wonders to get rid of excess oil. Separate the egg white from the yolk, whisk the egg white thoroughly, and then evenly distribute it all over your face. Tissues should be quickly placed over your face, allowing the egg whites to serve as glue. Peel the tissue paper off after it has completely dried, then rinse your face with water. You can use this method twice a week to keep your pores looking great. 4. Sugar scrub. Sugar does a fabulous job as it exfoliates the skin, clearing the pores of extra oil and debris. By removing all the debris, utilizing a sugar scrub definitely make your pores smaller. Here's how to make a sugar scrub. Simply take a wedge of lemon, cut it in half, and dip it in the sugar. Rub the lemon all over your face, then leave the sugar crystals and juice on for 15 minutes before washing it off with water. 5. Baking soda. Sugar and baking soda both have a comparable impact on your skin. In addition to balancing the pH levels of the skin, its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effects help to reduce breakouts. Mix 2 tablespoons of lukewarm water with 2 tablespoons of baking soda, then apply the solution to your face by rubbing it in circular motions. After 5 minutes, rinse your face with cold water. For best results, do this at least 3 to 4 times per week. 6. Multani mitti. A popular home treatment for oily skin is Multani mitti. It exfoliates the skin, absorbs excessive oil easily, and reduces the size of your pores. To use Multani mitti, also known as Fuller's Earth, combine it with a teaspoon of rose water and spread the resulting paste evenly over your face. Then, after letting it totally dry, scrub it off by rubbing your face in a circular motion with a small amount of water. Finish by giving your face a cold water rinse. 7. Tomato scrub. The astringent qualities of tomato help to tighten the skin, minimize the size of pores, and eliminate extra oil from the face. Tomatoes, which are high in lycopene and antioxidants, can actually slow down the aging process of your skin. To make this mask, mix together a tablespoon of tomato juice and 3 to 4 drops of lemon juice. Apply to your skin and leave on for around 20 minutes before washing off with cool water. Let us know in the comments which method was your favorite. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.